Hello and welcome to ThermoGrid's new call interface overview. In this brief tutorial, we'll walk through the recent updates to the call page, why these changes are important, and how they are going to improve the way your team handles every customer interaction moving forward. The call page is the starting point of nearly every workflow inside ThermoGrid. Whether your team is booking service, dispatching technicians, creating opportunities, tracking memberships, or following your daily management process, it all begins here. Let's take a quick look at the redesign. This redesign is more than just a visual update. Behind the scenes, we've modernized a large portion of the call page's backend structure to support future optimization across the platform. That means better performance, improved flexibility, stronger workflow automation, and a much better foundation for future features. Our goal with this update is simple: make the first touchpoint in your process easier to manage while giving your business more control. Next, let's walk through creating a new call. Creating a new call will remain the same. You can still create a call directly from the Add Call function on the calendar, or by using the Add Call button from the Calls page. That initial workflow is not changing, which helps keep the booking process fast and familiar for your office staff. Once you click Add Call, you'll be taken into the New Call Details page. One of the biggest improvements you'll notice immediately is the new unified search experience. As soon as the call is created, the search panel automatically opens on the right-hand side of the screen. This new search function replaces the need to search across multiple separate fields like first name, last name, phone number, or address. Instead, your team can now use one single search field to search across the entire database. You'll also notice that all client and address information remains fully editable directly within the workflow. Whether you need to update notes, phone numbers, email addresses, or address information, everything is available in one place without interrupting the booking flow. Once the client information is saved, you stay in the same area and can immediately begin entering notes. Record what the customer is calling about, whether it's a service issue, maintenance, or a potential sale. From here, you can quickly update the resolution, change the call status, choose the correct business division, and apply any KPI tracking. Below the client details, you'll see quick options to view the units or equipment at the location, the service history, and any service agreements or memberships tied to the client. This makes it easy to reference existing equipment, review previous work, or confirm active maintenance plans without leaving the call. Here, when we click into Units, it opens the unit information in a new tab for easy editing or review. History has also received improvements. You now have a quick and simple way to review previous orders, jobs, and calls for the client directly from the call page. Simply click History, navigate to the relevant information you need, and once you're done reviewing, close the panel from the top right corner to return right back to the call workflow. Next is Memberships, and if your team uses this feature, you'll notice a major quality of life improvement. You can now quickly view the total number of memberships, clearly see if any others are active, and easily review into any memberships tied to this address. Review upcoming visits, covered equipment, and visit history, and even mark whether those visits will be completed as part of this call or have already been completed. You'll also notice a quick option in the top right of the card to go directly to the full membership page if larger edits or changes are needed. Just like the client information workflow, this experience now uses the right side slide-over panel. You'll notice this slide-over experience becomes a consistent part of the new interface design, helping keep your workflow faster and more connected. The attachment section has also been improved. You'll now see more file details, including the upload date, time, and who uploaded the file. This gives your team a simple place to store and reference anything tied to the call, whether that's blueprints, documentation, or any files you may need later. These files will always remain with this client under the address. They can be easily deleted or downloaded from this call. Previously, creating a job required selecting both a job type and a job reason, which often meant entering similar information twice. Now, job reasons are automatically tied to job types, so your team can start by simply choosing the reason for the visit first. This keeps the process faster and more natural during call intake. Another major improvement is division-based filtering. If your company uses multiple divisions like plumbing, HVAC, electrical, commercial, or residential, the list of available reasons now automatically adjusts based on the division selected. So if plumbing is selected, only plumbing-related reasons appear. If HVAC is selected, only HVAC reasons show. This creates a smarter and more streamlined workflow for booking, dispatching, and routing jobs. To create the job, simply select the reason and click the Add button. The rest of the workflow will remain the same. Thank you for taking the time to prepare for these upcoming changes. Our goal with this update is to make the call workflow faster, cleaner, and easier for your team every step of the way. We're excited for you to experience the new interface, and we appreciate your continued commitment to improving your workflow with ThermoGrid.